Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then you need to open the list of all apps. Here let's choose settings, scroll down and simply find and select system. Now let me choose language and input right here. Then choose languages, and now you are using the English version of your device. If you would like to change your language, let's choose add a language. And as you may notice, the full list of available languages pops up in front of you. So in my case, let me switch language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Español, from España for example. Now you need to place the Español into the first position, and as you may notice, the whole list of settings and also apps goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just open the list of all apps, choose Ajustes, scroll down, choose Sistema, tap the idiomas in traducción de texto, choose idiomas again and place English into the first position. Now you can go back and start using your device with the English version. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.